What time the bus leaves for the airport?
Every 30 minutes.
Every 30 minutes, huh?
Yeah.
You know anyone who can take me to the pyramids and bring me back? Taxi driver?
Taxi, yeah. Wait, sir.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum. Can you take me to the pyramids and then bring me back?
It's okay.
And okay, I'm just going to wear the shoes, coming back. Okay, thank you.
You go upstairs, sir?
Yeah.
Okay.
Assalamu alaikum. ऊपर I'm fine. ऊपर जा रहे हैं आप?
हाँ.
अच्छा. From India?
India, yes.
This gentleman is going to take me to the pyramids of Egypt. Oh, sorry. Egypt has the different system, no? Because in Pakistan, this side you sit. No, I can drive. I can drive if it is a. Yes. In Pakistan, the passenger is sitting on that side. Driver is sitting on this side. So that's why. Thank you.
Welcome to Egypt. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Cairo has changed. I'm coming to Cairo for about, say, I think after 4-5 years. Cairo is very different now. So we have started our journey towards pyramids. And just for the record, मैं वहाँ अपने लिए नहीं जा रहा. मैं वहाँ पे बहुत दफ़ा जा चुका हूँ. मैं सिर्फ इसलिए जा रहा हूँ कि मैं एक अच्छी सी वीडियो बना सकूँ. और काहिरा का रश भी जो है वो भी लाहौर के या कराची के रश से कम तो नहीं है. ये है जी वो दरिया नील, जिसके बारे में आप कहानियों में और किताबों में पढ़ते हैं.
This way over Egypt, Suez, Sudan.
And there you see the first site of pyramids. Marwan, why are you not at school?
ولا عمان
ولا بتروحش للمدرسة.
بروح.
Hey.
You
Why
go-
not at madrasa?
You go to the school but early.
But early come back, eh?
غايب.
Why is Marwan so famous? Maybe he's pinching everyone, eh?
Yeah.
Always.
You help everybody.
He's helping everybody.
Yes. When somebody need help, he's coming for help.
इस काउंटर से टिकट मिलता है. कहानी वही पाकिस्तान वाली है. किसी को भी पैसे दे दें, टूर गाइड जाएगा, आराम से टिकट लेके आ जाएगा. आप जाएंगे तो आपको ये लंबी लाइन में लगना पड़ेगा. You look very famous, Muhammad. Assalamu alaikum.
The camera on the phone, I give you now the good picture if you need it. And now we start the tour.
Okay, Muhammad, tell me some history about tell me some history of the pyramids.
Okay.
I know, but you tell me. For my video, you tell me.
No problem. Here we call it the Entra Giza Pyramid.
Giza pyramids, yes, because they are in the city of Giza.
Yes. And everybody, you know the Giza Pyramid, you know the Entra have only here 3 pyramids.
Okay.
But actually here we don't have 3. Here we have 9.
9. Yeah.
6 small, the pyramid for the queen,
Okay.
and 3 bigger for the king.
For the kings.
3 small behind the pyramid, right side. And the 3 small again behind the third the pyramid, left side.
Left side.
It's named for the pyramid.
Okay.
Big one, Cheops.
Cheops.
Middle one, Chafrin.
Okay.
Third one, Mykarinos.
Mykarinos.
Father, son,
Father, son, and grandson.
grandson. How old is the pyramid, you think? How many years?
I don't know. You tell me.
Oldest pyramid, 5000 BC.
5000 BC.
Yes.
Wow, that's really.
How many years to build the pyramid?
I don't know.
Each one 30 years.
30 years
10 years, they bring the stones
for the stone. Yeah.
from our Egypt, from the 3 places, because each place is different material. And 10 years, you cut the stone, different size.
Different size.
And 30 another 10 years to build the pyramid.
To build the pyramid, yeah. In Sphinx also, the stone that is used is granite,
The
right?
Sphinx only just one limestone, one big of a stone to build it bare hand.
What is this place?
That's the tombs.
That is the tombs, huh?
Yes.
Tombs of the people who built the pyramid.
For the worker with the
For the
string.
workers, huh, who
Yes.
built the pyramids.
Pakistan.
Yes.
Zindabad, Zindabad.
Zindabad, yes, correct. So this is the tallest of the pyramids, huh?
Yeah, that's the great one and big one. We call King of Cheops. All the stuff, same the mumia, statue, the gold, stick it and Egyptian.
Yes, they have already taken everything out, huh?
Yes.
And they have put it in the museum.
Yes, what you see, the pyramid maybe inside, only see one room, one empty room,
One empty room, nothing inside.
nothing. Only take inside, same I told you, one way is underground at the center. We take far 55 meters down like this.
55 meters, eh?
Down.
You have to go 55 meters.
And then you see only one room, 2 meters for 2 meters.
There are tourists over here from all over the world. They made these pyramids, they made the Sphinx that, Sphinx will, protect them
Yes.
forever. But what is Sphinx going to do?
Nothing.
Sphinx is not going to do anything. Pharaohs thought they would live forever, but nobody can, right?
Of course. Lean back. Egyptian massage.
Egyptian massage, yeah. Okay, I don't mind Egyptian massage.
And this you light the pyramid tonight for the laser show.
Yes, I know. They are light and sound show, no? Every day.
Every day. Start 7:30.
7. It is said कि ये वो pathway था जहाँ से वो पत्थर खींच के लाते थे और फिर पिरामिड्स बनाते थे. I know, it's not impossible, but they should not go so high, no? But they are already very high.
That's the temple for the pray before, for any somebody's dead, who's the king, you have to come in here for the pray and after you put it inside the tombs. Maybe see all the flower to build it with the limestones.
This floor,
Yeah, all the flower to build it with the limestone. But other sides, you have to build it with the alabaster stone because it's the great stones. And that's the hard rock.
This one, huh?
Yeah, we call granite.
This is being used in the third pyramid, eh?
Yes. Why is coming here? Because this is the more excellent. Alabaster.
This is alabasta, huh?
Come, and that's the hard desert.
That one, huh?
Yes. And this pyramid old it about 7,000 BC.
7,000 BC?
Yes.
Those pyramids are the oldest pyramids,
All
eh?
the pyramids and all of Egypt. We call pyramid Saqqara.
Saqqara.
And King Zoser.
He wants to exchange his camera with me. Which camera you have? It is Canon. No to badal. You keep You keep your camera, I keep mine. You also come, your camera also come, your mobile also come. Then I give this camera to them. You come with me.
لا فهموا بقى اقول له خد 3 من صحابه ويجي ويجيب لي الكاميرا.
Well, this is not my first time coming here in Egypt for the pyramids, but I have come this time especially for you guys ताकि मैं आप लोगों को pyramids दिखा सकूं. It's a nice place, good to visit, लेकिन यहाँ पे आपको आके बहुत ज़्यादा impress होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. ये giant कब्रें हैं, इबरत के मुकाम है, इबरत के निशान है कि जो कि अल्लाह ताला ने रहती दुनिया तक आपके लिए कायम कर दी हैं. I'm not saying that you should not visit this place. You should. By all means you should. You should also come and see everything that is over here to offer. इबरत पकड़ें. फ़िरौन अपने आप को खुदा समझता था, रहती दुनिया के लिए मिसाल बन गया है वो. जिसने समझना है समझे, आर्किटेक्चर की तारीफ़ करनी है करें, उसमें कोई शक की बात नहीं है. इतने बड़े बड़ी इमारत को खड़ा कर देना, पत्थर इतने बड़े बड़े काटना. I mean, it is really some wonderful thing that they have done, and it's amazing also. And the things you have to understand is कि वो आदमी जो इतनी amazing चीज़ें करके भी रहती दुनिया तक बदनाम हो सकता है, तो हम क्या चीज़ हैं? Muhammad is probably getting sad because I'm taking too much time. Yes, this is the way, no? Where they drag all the stones down from, pyramids.
It's named by hieroglyphic before.
And that is the Sphinx.
Yes.
They built Sphinx over there,
Yes.
cut the stones over there, and then they bring everything.
Like at the way.
Causeway, eh?
And what's the meaning? Like a English, like an easy way.
Easy.
Because maybe take the stone up to the pyramid for a short time.
Okay, so they used to drag everything from here.
All that.
All the labor,
Yes.
all the labor that
All
built the
that is
pyramids.
taken down to-
And There is a gentleman standing on top for some photos, and there is another guy.
Because it's
What is this boy going to do? आपको पता है कि ये स्फिंक्स किस लिए बनवाया था फिर उन्होंने? वो चाहते ये थे कि जब वो क़यामत वाले दिन उठेंगे ना सो के, तो ये जो स्फिंक्स है ये उनकी हिफाजत करेगा। करेगा ये हिफाजत? नहीं कर सका, ये नाक तोड़ के ले गया।
now we are friendly, huh?
Bye bye pyramids. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum. These are papyrus. Papyrus is the paper, right?
Yeah, the first paper.
That the pharaohs invented.
Yes.
सारे घोड़े ही घोड़े बांधे में. This is the place where they keep all the horses, I think. Thank you, Mohammed. And it's time to head back. ज़्यादा time नहीं था हमारे पास. वापस भी जाना है मैंने. Back at the hotel. आधा घंटा है मेरे पास. I have to get ready for going to Lahore. Inshallah. 30 minutes. So रात को कल मैं पहुंचा था और बस आज सुबह इतना टाइम मिल सका कि I just went and came back from Giza. But it was enough. It was enough, I believe. So I'll just wrap up everything now, put everything where it is supposed to, and I'll head for the airport now, inshallah. See you at the airport.